Hello friends, welcome to the video number 36 for the Visual Basic for Applications in Excel series. And well, in this video we're going to see how to display messages using the status bar right here on the bottom of Excel, how to display some information there for our users. In this case, for example, I'm still using the same um, macros or examples that we have been using since like about I think 3 videos. Well, this is going to be the third video, and well, the only thing that I'm going to be adding here is in this third, I'm going to use this third subroutine. This is the one that is actually looping through the information in the second file where I'm looking for some information. Whenever I find an information that I'm looking for here, then I get that information, I copy it, and then I bring it and paste it in here. So the only thing we need to do is put this application dot status bar right like this, and then set it equals to and some string. We're gonna use a string or display a string of text in the status bar. Of course, you can use values of variables. They are gonna get displayed over there. And well, you can just like raw text, whatever it is you want to display there. And well, we're gonna see this in action. Well, the first time we're actually not gonna see in action. Just let's see what happened if I just add this, for example, inside of this do while. And well, remember, I still have my application screen updating false, that like we saw it on the previous video, on video 35, so that we don't see those screen flickers that it does when it's activating another workbook and then coming back to this one. So let's see what happens. Let's just click display. And well, here at the end, you can see that the status bar has changed. It says searching row 278, found 6. Well, okay, that's kind of nice, but it's not useful at all. So what's going on? Well, the thing here is that as we have this application screen updating equals to false, then we're freezing again our screen, so we are not seeing anything changed in our screen. So what I'm gonna do here is just make it true, right? The application screen updating equals true. Just update the status bar and then make it false again. So let's try it one more time. And I guess I messed something up. Let me see what I did. What am I missing? Oh, it should be okay. There it is. Not sure what happened the first time, but well, now you can see how this status bar is changing every time we pass through the loop and finds something. Well, actually, every time it does the loop and it's just searching, not when it finds, when it's searching, it tells us, okay, I'm searching in row whatever it is, and I have found something or I have not found anything. So we can see that the macro is running even that we don't see those flickers anymore. But now we can tell the user or ourselves as users that, I mean, the macro is running and it's actually doing something. Why are you doing that again? There you go. Well, not sure what's going on, why sometimes it does it, sometimes it doesn't. But well, there you can see how it changes. Now, one last thing that I want to show you here is that, well, as you can see, the macro is stopped, it's already done, but we still have this message displayed here. So what we're going to do is here, well, actually, you can put it there, I mean, just before finishing your full program. Or, for example, in here, just in the subroutine that is actually changing the status bar. And before we finish this, you can put again the application, oops, status bar, and just make it false, right? Let's run it one more time. And now you see it goes back to ready, right? So there it is changing. And when it finishes, it just goes back to ready. Okay, so well, in the previous video, we saw how to use the application that screen updating to avoid screen flickering and, well, speed up a little our execution of a macro. And now we are covering how to display messages on the status bar. You can make this, for example, a percentage of what is being done on the task and how much it has advanced. And well, many other kind of different string of text that you want to display on the status bar for yourself or for any other user. Okay, so well, as always, I hope that you find this video useful. And well, thanks all of you guys and girls for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, share and like the video. And where in the next video, we're gonna see how to use the do events to avoid those when we're running a very lengthy macro, kind of freezes everything up. So we're gonna see how to avoid that using the do events, okay? So I hope to see you on video number 37.